So guys, welcome back to Protect, Live, and Survive. I just wanted to show you something pretty interesting. And some of you probably know where this stems from, some of you don't. So let's get to it. So I wanted to show you my peephole. This is it. And it's actually functional. Alright. See that? So a lot of you may not know where this comes from. This originates from in the military. Snipers have to cover their scope so that it doesn't reflect onto the enemy. So usually this would be on the, if I'm looking through my scope, it would be on the reverse side of the scope. It's a little hole, and I'd be peeping out through it. The magnification will still be there, but you won't see any glare. So with that being said, I have nothing here. It's just a big piece of glass covering in the door, and you look through, people could just look through and see into the apartment. So I took that concept and I applied it to my peephole, believe it or not. So yeah, anyway, if you guys have in the same situation, right, learn that from military snipers. Oh yeah. Stay safe. Thank you guys for keeping this country safe. Everybody who served. Welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. And everybody still serving, thank you. Stay safe.